Hi guys, today we're going to be doing a Homechef unboxing. I'm super excited about this. I've been waiting a couple weeks for it. I only got 2 meals this time, but they were 2 pretty good, really good meals. And I'm super excited to show you guys what we got. Sorry it's been a while. I'm looking for new ideas to post and new videos to do, I guess. Leave some below in my comments if you'd like. And let's get to it. Alright, here we go. I ripped the box a little bit, that was my fault, oops. So that's our first meal is gonna be today. That looks really good. Alright, so those are the 2 meals. We have all the ice bags to keep it cold. Alright, so this is what we have for the first meal. And this is for the second meal.
What are you doing?
I'm unboxing, baby. Alright, now we have these ice packs, some more. I keep those, you can reuse them. There's a lot of them though, so I don't know how many you would actually need. Alright, and then we have our boneless pork chops, and these are actually really thick. Like, that's 2 pork chops in there. That looks so good. And then we have our 2 steaks. Pretty good size. And I'm not sure which one we're going to make today, and I'll figure it out. So that's the end of the box. Alright guys, now we're going to see what we have in here. We have cilantro. We have some corn. Butter, garlic butter. Fajita seasoning. Light cream cheese. It's a beef demi-glace. And then we have 4 potatoes. These are all the ingredients. Alright, now we're going to start with the first step in just a second. Alright guys, so we do have instructions here. We're going to go mostly by the instructions, but I'm not going to put the potatoes in the oven. I'm just going to cook them on a pan before I add the corn. And everything else I'm going to pretty much follow. So we're going to start with cutting the potatoes and sauteing them, which is my step instead of the roast potatoes. Sorry about that, guys. So I'm only going to be using 2 potatoes because I'm only making half of the meal since it's only me today. Ava wouldn't really like this. She has a different lunch planned. So I'm gonna make these into 2 dices, I guess. Alright. It's kind of uneven, but just try your best. Alright, so those are our potatoes cut up. We're going to add a little bit of olive oil to the pan. And then we're going to turn it on to a little bit above medium. Alright guys, we're going to add the potatoes into the oil now. Now we're gonna go ahead and mix it. Alright you guys, step 2 is cutting the cilantro. Getting ready for the corn. Alright, I just chopped the parsley while the potatoes are frying. Oh, that's nice. You see how they're getting crunchy like that? And then they're getting there. We're going to turn down the heat just a little bit. So we have our parsley ready for the corn that's going to be going in with these. Alright you guys, I'm going to add a pinch of salt. Maybe 2. These are about almost ready. Alright you guys, we have this nice piece of steak here. We're going to pat it dry. Oops. We're going to flip it over and pat it dry on this side too. Now we're going to sprinkle it with salt and pepper. Okay, a little bit too much pepper, but it's alright. Let's flip it back and forth here. Rub it in. Alright, so we are going to add a little bit more salt to that side, and I probably am going to add a little bit of garlic salt too as well. But this is the way they say on the recipe, just salt and pepper. We're adding our corn into the hot pan. Alright. Alright you guys, so we're going to add some water. It said a 1/4 cup, but I just kind of guessed. I don't have 1/4 cup measuring, which I should. Fajita seasoning. Smells delicious already. And then cream cheese. And I'm gonna mix this and we'll come back.
Mommy.
I'm gonna mix in the cream cheese thoroughly and then I'll come back to it. Alright you guys, so this is how it's looking. Really good. Nice and creamy. It smells delicious. Alright guys, so this is the finished product. We're gonna add a little bit of cilantro. Alright, so we have this pan coated in olive oil and we're going to take our meat. Yes. We're going to leave it on this side for about 4 to 5 minutes and then we're going to flip it. I like mine medium, so. Alright you guys, so now we're going to flip it. Alright, so I'm going to probably give it about 1 more minute and then I'm going to take it off to rest for a little bit. Alright, so we're going to use the same hot pan that we cooked the steak in and we're going to add butter to it. And then we're also going to add our demi-glaze. Just 1 second, let me get that ready. I actually have no idea what a demi-glaze is, but I guess we'll find out today. It sounds fancy, so. I'm going to use about half the packet and half the packet of butter because I only used 1 steak. And we're going to mix that together. Alright, so we're going to mix this all together. It's a demi-glaze and the garlic butter. It smells delicious. Oh yeah, just add 2 tablespoons of water to this as well. Oh yeah, that makes it a lot easier. Alright, so it's coming along pretty good. Alright, you guys, so just stir it around. Alright, you guys, so this is our plate. We're about to add the demi-glaze. Alright, so now we're going to put that demi-glaze right over the top. Perfect. That's it, guys. Alright guys, I'm sorry about the bad angle, but we're going to be doing the ultimate taste test right now. It looks delicious, if you can see. Let's see. The angle's making it hard, sorry guys, but this looks and smells amazing. My whole kitchen smells like a steakhouse. I got it perfect. I like mine red, guys. If you guys like yours longer, go ahead and cook it a little longer. But look at this. Oops. Look at this, guys. And on the other side it has like nice, it's like the demi-glaze and crust. It's so juicy. Hey, that's just pretty. It's honestly delicious. The best pan-seared steak I've ever made. Like pan-seared. It's already really good. I'm really impressed with the steak. I've never made anything with like a glaze on it before, so that's cool. This is actually really good. I was like a little scared of it at first, but it is really good and it has like a nice like flavor to it. It's creamy and then the potatoes are soft. The corn is crunchy. It's really good. Definitely for the price I got this, it was definitely a great deal. I'm definitely going to recommend getting it again. Their steak and their meat is so good quality. Like, look how good this looks. And this one plate only costs $8. So I definitely recommend trying out Homechef. And the link is going to be below. You get $45 off your first order. Go ahead and do it. I totally recommend it. And you guys have a great day, and subscribe and like.